Blockchain basics. Getting an understanding of how blockchain works. What exactly is blockchain? Blockchain is a system in which a record of transactions made in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency are maintained across several computers that are linked in a peer-to-peer network. There is no centralized bank in no country that officially controls it. Why blockchain in the first place? Why care about it? Cryptocurrencies allow people to exchange money in the form of digital currency, so that it is completely anonymous, but also allows the users to complete safe transactions. In third world countries, where the companies and government may not be trustworthy, blockchain technology allows the people to make transactions without the fear of any shady business. Here are some common terms that you may come across that you don't know as a complete beginner. Online wallets. These are digital versions of a bank account. This is where your cryptocurrency is held. Bitcoin. I'm sure you've heard of this, but this is basically a form of cryptocurrency using the blockchain technology. It is the most popular one, and there are many out there besides Bitcoin that you may want to look into. If you're curious about learning more about blockchain and how to begin investing in it and buying some of your own, I highly recommend you check out Blockchain Basics, a potential game changer of world business by Eric Smith. I put a link to it in the description below.